You know that dream where your tenants pay the mortgage and you just collect checks every month? Yeah, I had that dream too, right up until the water heater exploded. Here's everything I wish I knew before buying my first rental property, so you don't learn the hard way like I did. Everyone talks about the down payment. Nobody talks about the downpour of expenses that follow. Insurance, taxes, maintenance, vacancy. It all adds up faster than your Amazon card on payday. My first month, I spent more fixing a leaky sink than I made in rent. Finding a good contractor is like dating. Looks great at first, then they vanish for 3 weeks. Check references, get multiple quotes, and never pay the full amount up front. I learned that when my handyman ghosted me halfway through installing a door. That door still squeaks 2 years later. When you're running the numbers, don't fall in love with the deal. Fall in love with the math. I used to justify every red flag with, well, rent might go up. Spoiler, it didn't. If it doesn't cash flow now, it won't later. I thought tenants would be the nightmare, but honestly, most are fine. The real nightmare was me. No systems, no structure, late night texts, paper checks, no automation. Get a property manager or use software early. It's worth it. Rental properties aren't get rich quick. They're more like get smart slowly. Play the long game, trust the math, and stay calm when things break. Because one day, your tenant might just pay off your mortgage while you're asleep. If you're thinking about buying your first rental, learn from my chaos. Do the math, plan for surprises, and remember, cash flow beats hype every single time. Oh, and buy a plunger before you buy a property. Trust me, if you like this, hit that like button. It's cheaper than my last plumbing bill.